Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. So in the last part mainly we have seen about the representation of an atom, where we have to read the atomic number and where we have to read the mass number, and what is mean by atomic and mass numbers, and how to calculate the electrons, protons and neutrons. So such story we have seen clearly in the last video, and now in this video class I am going to be explain about the atomic species. Very important topic for theory cum objective. Okay, so what are the atomic species are there and what about their examples? Okay, along with multi examples I am going to be explain now. Okay now beta, right. So listen carefully. Mainly here I want to be explain about the 6 different types of atomic species. So in that, let me consider number 1 atomic species, that is nothing but the, we have to say that isotope. What we can say beta? Isotope. Okay, so first of all we have to be know that, sir, what is mean by isotope? And most of the atomic species already I have told you in the time of bridge course. Once again here I am going to give you a brief explanation. Okay beta? Yes. So sir, what is mean by isotope? What is mean by isotope? Listen carefully. So I want to say a small definition, that is nothing but the isotopes are nothing but the atoms, but we have to apply the condition. The condition is nothing but the, they should contain same atomic number. The symbol is nothing but what beta? Z value should be same, but they are having different mass number values. So this shows the difference in what, Nana? So this shows the difference in, they differs in, we have to be say that mass number values. So mass number values nothing but A value should be different and atomic number, that value should be same. Such atoms we have to be say that what, Nana? Isotope. Once again, one short indication. Iso mean we can say that same. Okay, same. Tope means in our own language, maybe Kannada or whatever that may be, the meaning of tope meaning is nothing but Paramanu number. You know the meaning of Paramanu number. In our Kannada also we will say the same meaning, Nana. Yes or no? So iso means same, tope means Paramanu number, the meaning is nothing but atomic number. So atoms with same atomic number but different in mass numbers, they are known as what, Nana? Isotopes. I hope you understand the meaning. Clear? Yes. So due to these two conditions, such isotopes, they are going to show the one more special property, that is nothing but the, so due to same atomic number, isotopic species or atoms, they contains similar chemical properties. So their chemical properties what beta? Similar. Okay, their chemical properties are similar. But due to different in mass numbers, we have to be say that they shows the difference in, or we can say that they contains, they exhibits different physical properties. They exhibits what beta? Different physical properties. This is the main point you have to be remember. Once again, so atoms or species which contains the same atomic number, but there will be different in what, Nana? Mass numbers. Such species or atoms we have to be say that isotopes. So due to same atomic number, they contains similar chemical properties, and due to different in mass number, their physical properties will be different. Okay, these two conditions you must be apply. And one more thing, very important point I want to tell you. Okay, isotopes, they are having similar chemical properties, but they shows different in physical properties, and also they will shows the different in what, Nana? Radioactive properties. So radioactive properties and physical properties, they must be different in the category of what, Nana? Isotopic species. Let me go for one by one. I want to give you number of examples. So first of all here I am going to consider the example by considering hydrogen atoms. I mean, what are the isotopes of hydrogen? Means overall in nature, hydrogen going to be available or exist. Simply we can say H atom can be abundance from the nature, mainly in the form of 3 isotopic forms. So how many hydrogen isotopic forms beta? 3 hydrogen isotopic forms. Here I am going to write that. So one is first form H, second form also we can say H, and third form also we can say that what Anna H, and also we can write that H. So hydrogen going to be exist in how many isotopic forms? 3 forms. So let me write the atomic and mass numbers. For suppose hydrogen atomic number is 1, and here atomic number 1, here also atomic number is 1. So in all 3 cases here I have written same atomic number, but they are showing the difference in mass number values. So here it contains mass 1 unit, and second isotopic form it contains, you support, 2 unit mass, and last one it contains 3 unit mass. Okay, all of you Nana. Now listen carefully. I want to say that 1H1 it is known as normal hydrogen. 1H2 it is known as heavy hydrogen, that is known as deuterium, and one more is 1H3, it is known as radioactive isotope of hydrogen. So it can be known as tritium. So my dear students, all of you, not only these 3 symbols, you have to be denote these 3 letters. Okay, now you must be remember, because of an objective they are going to use these words only. So once again, what is the normal hydrogen example? 1H1. Heavy hydrogen is deuterium, the symbol is 1H2. Tritium is nothing but what? T, or we can say 1H3, but it is nothing but radioactive hydrogen, and this is nothing but the heavy hydrogen, and this is nothing but the normal hydrogen. So normal hydrogen is 1H1, heavy hydrogen is 1H2, that is known as deuterium. Otherwise you can write here, okay, here atomic number is 1, mass number is 2. Tritium atomic number is 1, mass number is 3. Like that letters also we can write Nana. Okay, all of you, normal hydrogen, heavy hydrogen, radioactive hydrogen. But all these 3 species, they contains same atomic number, Z value 1, Z value 1, Z value 1. But their mass numbers are different. So due to same atomic number, chemical properties will be similar, but due to their different in mass numbers, they contain what Nana? Different physical properties, and they contains different radioactive properties. So in that 3 which contains radioactive nature, radioactive isotope of hydrogen is tritium, and this is deuterium, heavy hydrogen, and this is normal hydrogen. I hope you understand this answer clearly. Let me go for example number 2 for isotope, that is nothing but the carbon isotopes. So carbon is the atom or element. It going to be occur or abundance from the nature mainly in 3 isotopic forms. One is nothing but the C612 form, and one more is nothing but the C613 form, and one more is nothing but the C614 form. So here carbon contains how many isotopic forms? 3 isotopic forms, C612, C613, C614. In that way we have to be pronounced. Okay, so here what happened? Only 3 isotopic forms, they contain same atomic number, but they are having different mass numbers. So we can say this condition was applicable. That means it is an example of what Nana? Isotope. Let me go for now another example of isotopic forms. That example I want to give you by considering oxygen. Same thing, oxygen also available in 3 isotopic forms, but most available form is O816, and after that we will get the O817, and also we can get O818, like that manner. So here oxygen abundance in how many isotopic ways, Nana? 3 isotopic forms. In that all 3 forms atomic number will be same, their mass numbers are different. Again we satisfy the conditions of isotope. Let me go for another example by taking chlorine atom, and listen carefully. Chlorine atom, Cl. It was okay, it going to be abundance from the nature mainly in 2 forms, but the most available form is 35 unit mass. Okay, the meaning is chlorine contain atomic number is 7, mass number is 35, and chlorine contain atomic number is 7, mass number is 37. Means both the species here they contain same atomic number, but they are having different mass number values. Okay, now beta? Right. Now let me go for another example by considering uranium I want to give you. I hope in the last class also I have given the question. What is the symbol of uranium? U. Atomic number of uranium 92. But uranium was available in two forms. I mean occurs or its abundance we can see in two forms. Both the forms they are having same atomic number, but they contains different in what? Mass numbers. So uranium 92 most available form is 235 and least available form is 238. So uranium 92 235, uranium 92 238, both are having same atomic number, but there is a difference in what, Nana? Mass number values. Okay, all of you, Nana. So these are the examples of what, Nana? Isotopes. Okay, all of you. Sir, why they contain similar chemical properties? Listen, for suppose C612, C613, C614. Atomic number is same. Same atomic number, same chemical property. Because of atomic number is same means species nature is same. Carbon, carbon, carbon. The meaning is nothing but its chemical property should be same. Okay, now beta. Good. Now listen carefully. One small question I want to ask you. So try to think about it. First, suppose here I want to consider carbon. One carbon contains 12 gram or 12 unit mass. Another carbon form 13 unit mass and another carbon form 14 unit mass. But I want to calculate the average atomic mass of three isotopic form. Maybe 3, maybe 2, whatever that may be. For isotopes, isotopes means what? They contain atomic number is same. Okay, no problem. But they contain different mass numbers. We don't want different mass numbers. We want to consider only one atomic mass. Means by considering maybe 2 isotope or maybe 3 isotope, by using presence of number of isotopic forms, we have to be calculate the average atomic mass of any respective isotopic element. Okay, now. So what is the formula to calculate the? Here you suppose 3 different species are there. They are having 3 different masses. But I want the average atomic mass of carbon. I don't want to say 13, 14, 15. Particularly how to say the average atomic mass answer, only one answer. So how to calculate the average atomic mass in the case of isotopic examples? The formula is, so for isotopes only this formula can be applicable. This point you have to be remember. For isotopes only this formula we have to be applied beta. So the formula is, for isotopic species we can calculate the average atomic mass. What we can calculate? We can calculate the average atomic mass by using the formula is summation of percentage of abundance of isotope into, it can be multiplied with its atomic weight, and finally we have to be right here, it going to be divided by the, we have to be say the answer, that is nothing but the total ratio. What we can write beta? Total ratio. Once again I am going to read the formula. Summation of percentage abundance of isotope, and that can be multiplied with its atomic weight or atomic mass से multiply करना पड़ेगा. Means simply we have to say that percentage of the isotope that can be divided with, that can be multiplied with atomic mass, and finally here we have to consider the total percentage or total available ratio. Okay, so this formula I want to go modify in the form of mathematical form. So that is nothing but we can say that average atomic mass is equals to, we can write the formula, that is nothing but summation of xi into mi by, we can say that summation of xi. Sir, here what is mean by xi? Xi means percentage of abundance, or we can say abundance percentage of isotopes. Percentage abundance, that is nothing but xi means first isotope x1, second isotope x2, third isotope x3. Like that we have to consider the percentage abundance of the isotopes. And xi can be multiplied with what? Mi. Sir, what is mean by mi? Mi is nothing but the atomic mass of the isotopes, or we can say atomic weights of isotope. Atomic weights of what beta? Isotope. Now, by using the short form, exact elaboration form I want to be right now. So average atomic mass, for the calculation of average atomic mass, the overall and lengthy formula, elaboration formula I want to tell you. For suppose, given respective isotope, given respective element, and you suppose it contains 3 isotopes. How many isotopes, Nana? 3 isotopes. But I want to calculate the average atomic mass. That means 3 isotopic forms are there. First isotopic form contains x1 percentage into, it can be multiplied with what? Its mass is nothing but m1. So mass, percentage of first isotope into mass of first isotope. Similarly, we have to write percentage of second isotope, nothing but x2, again multiplied with its mass, nothing but we can say m2. And you suppose here 3 isotopes are there, means percentage of third isotope, that is nothing but x3, and multiplied with what, Nana? m3, divided by the percentage of xi, nothing but what? Summation of xi, nothing but percentage of abundance of all isotopes. How many isotopes I told you? 3 isotopes. So first one contain x1 percentage, second isotope contain x2 percentage, third isotope contain x3 percentage. That is the formula you have to be used finally. Okay beta. So there I have given 3 forms. It is completely short form. It is in the form of theory meaning, and this is the exact elaboration formula we have to be used now. And first suppose given element contain only 2 isotopic forms, then what we can modify the formula? x1 m1 plus x2 m2 divided by x1 plus x2. But this is the formula I have written by considering 3 isotopic forms. Okay, all of you beta? Very good. Now listen carefully. Sir, how to use this formula? Okay, इस फार्मूला को अपन कैसे यूज करना, that one I am going to be explain now by giving one problem. Okay, yes, by giving one question. Already that question was repeated in the previous competitive exam. Now the question is, listen carefully. So first of all here I am going to consider one element. Yes, I am going to consider one element, ELT, nothing but an element. And you suppose, okay, given element contains 3 isotopic forms. Okay, I am going to write here. You suppose it contains how many isotopic forms beta? 3 isotopic forms. Given element contains 3 isotopic forms. In the 3 isotopic forms, you suppose first isotopic form contains 10 unified mass. Second isotopic form contains 12 unified mass, mass value, and third isotopic mass contains 14 unified mass. Means their mass numbers already I have given to you. Nothing much. Atomic weights of 3 isotopes I have provided. That is nothing but m1, and this is m2, and this is nothing but m3 values. And also one more information was given in the question. The information is about percentage of abundance of the what? Isotopes. Again same thing. First isotope that contain the percentage around 80%, second isotope, and you suppose that contain the percentage 15%, and third isotopic form, for that the given percentage is only 5%. Okay, all of you. So for the given element, and you suppose it contains 3 isotopic forms, for the 3 isotopic forms, their mass values and their percentage, abundance percentage values also given. So 3 isotopes, they are having 3 different atomic masses, but we want to calculate the average atomic mass. Okay, so that element contains, what is the average atomic mass? What is the average atomic mass? That is a question mark. An element contains 3 isotopes. All 3 isotopes, they are having 3 different mass values, and their available percentage is also different. In that case, so what is the average atomic mass of the respective given atom or element? So here 3 isotopic forms means simply like above short form we can use now. Okay, average atomic mass is equals to, average atomic mass is equals to first isotopic form x1. x1 means percentage of first isotope. How much? 80. 80 into M1. M1 means mass of first isotope. How much, Nana? 10 unified mass, and also we can say that 10 grams. Plus, and X2 mass of second isotope, percentage of second isotope 15 into respective percentage, how much, Nana? 12 plus, and X3 how much percentage? 5 percentage into M3 how much mass, beta? 14 mass. Now this is the data. It's going to be divided by the total ratio 80 plus 15 plus 5. So total ratio available percentage is equal to how much, Nana? 100. I hope you understand that clearly. Now listen carefully what you have to be right. So when we simplify the above data, 80 into 10 means we can write that 800 plus 15 into 12. Simply we can calculate 15 tens are 150. Again 15 twos are 30. 150 plus 30 means we can write 180 value. And 14 fives are common value. What is the value, beta? Constant, that is nothing but 70. Then it's going to be divided by the what, Nana? 100. So now I am going to be write that 70 plus 80, nothing but 150. 150 and here one more extra 100 is there, nothing but 250. 250 plus 800 means we can say that 1050. It's going to be divided by the 100. Okay, now 100, it gets cancelled, and 0, 0 going to be cancelled, and remaining one more 0 is there in the form of denominator, 10 is there. So when we remove the 10 means simply we can write that 10.5 unified mass. This is your average atomic mass of the respective element. But in isotopic forms, they contain different masses. So by using the three data, we are going to be calculate the average atomic mass of the respective element. So in that manner, we will get the final answer 10.5 unified mass, or we can say 10.5 AMU, atomic mass unit. Okay, all of you, beta. So in that way, not only this, Nana, in the same model, number of questions and number of times they are repeated in the previous competitive exams like NEET, G and CET, and also important for theory point of view board exam. Okay, beta. Yes. So this is the overall story about the isotopes and examples and how to calculate the average atomic mass, and you should remember the formula, especially a formula ko remember karo, and okay, we can calculate the number of problems. I will give you some problems in the form of objective. Okay, na? You have to be wait up to there. I will give you just one day wait. Okay, beta? Good. Now, atomic species in that type 1 was over isotopes. Now I want to be discuss about the isobars. Isotopes and isobars, they are quite opposite in manner, beta. Quite opposite. You can think the answer easily. Come on, try to think. Sir, what is meant by isobar? Yes, in the topic of atomic species, type 2 topic I am going to be right here. That is nothing but what, beta? Isobar. Yes, isobars. Okay, now we have to know that what is meant by isobars. Isobars are nothing but species, or we can say a list of atoms. Isobars are nothing but the atoms. Again, here also we have to apply the two conditions. Condition number 1 is they should contain same mass number value. Same mass number. The meaning is nothing but here A value should be same, but they are showing the difference in atomic numbers. They are showing the difference in what, beta? Atomic number, that is nothing but Z value. So atoms with same mass number but different in atomic numbers. Such species we have to be say that what, Nana? Isobars. So what about isotopes? Isotope. Tope mean permanent number. Atomic number should be same in isotope. Here mass number should be same in isobar. Here also I want to give you one shortcut hint. Iso means same. Bar, the meaning of bar. Again try to think in our own language. The meaning of bar. The bar is nothing but bharam. Bharam. The meaning is nothing but what? The meaning is nothing but weight, na beta. What is meant by weight? Meaning of weight is mass. Like that. Iso means same. Bar mean what, Nana? Mass. Okay, so mass number should be same and atomic number should be different. Such species we have to be say that they are known as isobars. Okay, fine. And another point also we have to be discuss here. 100% यहाँ पर भी और एक point discuss करना है आपको. That is nothing but the what about their physical and chemical properties. So try to think in opposite manner, Nana. So what I have told you in case of isotopes, same atomic number, same chemical properties, but your atomic number is different. That means chemical properties are different. And what about physical properties? Physical properties will be same because of same mass number. Same mass number means isobars they are having same mass number, same isobars they are having similar physical properties. So isobars they shows or they exhibits similar physical properties, but they shows the different in what beta chemical properties. So here the chemical properties will be different. Okay, all of you, Nana? Yes. Now directly let me go for examples. Example for what? Isobar. So best example I want to show you, and you know that very well. One is nothing but I am going to take argon. The symbol is nothing but Ar. One more is I am going to consider potassium. The symbol is nothing but K. And one more is here I am going to write that calcium. The symbol is nothing but Ca. Argon, potassium, calcium. Okay, all of you beta? Yes. So argon atomic number, it is around 18. And potassium is nothing but 19. And calcium is nothing but what beta? 20. Okay, all of you beta, I hope you understand. You know very well. And almost these three atoms, they contains nearby same mass number value. That is around 40, again 40, again 40. Actually here argon contains 39.8, like that chain will be there. 39.8 means nearly we can consider 40 na beta. Yes. So all these three atoms almost or nearby, they contains the atomic mass that is equals to the 40. So the atoms or ions, or simply we consider species. So the species with same mass number but different in atomic numbers. So such conditions are applicable. We can say that isobars. Let me go for second example. So an element I am going to be write the atom is nothing but Te. So what is mean by Te? Tellurium. What beta? Selenium, tellurium, group 14th elements. Anyway, Te means we have to say that tellurium. Next one is nothing but Xe, nothing but xenon, tellurium, comma xenon, and we have to be say that barium. Tellurium, xenon, barium, not beryllium, barium. Okay? Yes. Atomic number of this is 52, xenon atomic number 54, and here it contains 56 as per modern atomic table. Okay, so what about their mass values? All these three species, they are having nearby same mass number values, that is around 130, 130, 130 masses. So same mass number, but atomic numbers are different. We can consider the best example for isobars. Let me consider another example. So here I am going to write carbon, and one more is here I am going to write that nitrogen. Atomic number of carbon 6, and this is nothing but 7. Okay, nitrogen atomic number is 7, but its mass number is what? 40. Carbon atomic number is 6, but mass number is what? 12. But you know very well, just now I have told you in the topic of isotopes, carbon can be available in three forms: C612, C613, C614. Yes or no beta? But most available percentage is for what? C612. Okay na? And also we can consider 13 and 14 also na beta. So as per this isobar category, here I am going to write the C614. No problem na? Because of carbon can available in three isotopic forms: C612, C613, C614. But as per example, mass number should be same. So here 14, that means here also I have written 14. I hope you understand this clearly. Okay. So final touch, iso means same, bar means mass value. So So mass number should be same and there will be different in atomic number. Based on these two, we can say the another meaning of physical and chemical properties. Okay, now good. Now here I am going to be discuss about the another topic, that is about isotones. Which topic we are going to be discuss with the isotones? Yes. Sir, what is mean by isotones? In atomic species, topic 3 is isotones. It is also very easy and very important topic to you, isotones. Just I want to be focused on only one word. That word you have to be remembered clearly. Again, same thing. Isotones are nothing but the atoms, and also we can say that species, they should contains same number of neutrons. Same number of neutrons. Okay, number of neutrons are same, but the condition is they shows the difference in atomic and what beta mass numbers. Means atomic number is nothing but Z and mass number is nothing but A. These two values must be different. This is the meaning. But sir कुछ hint देते हैं क्या? ऐसे एक hint बताता हूँ मैं आपको. Hint is, once again 3 hints I want to give you. Isotope, tope mean atomic number is same. Isobar mean mass number is same. Isotone, focus on only N letter. Here N not indicates, just for remembering point of view, short point of view, I am telling you, N for we have to say that neutrons. Just to try to remember like that. Okay, iso means same, tones, N for number of neutrons. So number of neutrons should be same. Their atomic and mass numbers are different. Such atoms will have to be say that isotones. Okay, very good. Sir, in the case of isotones, what about the atomic and mass numbers? We can say the answer easily. In the case of isotope, atomic number is same, similar chemical properties. Here mass number is same, similar physical properties. But what about here? Atomic and mass numbers are different. The meaning is, we have to be say that isotopes, they shows, or we can say that isotopes, they are going to exhibit the different what nana? Physical and chemical properties. So they are going to exhibit the what nana? Different physical and chemical properties. So isotopes, they are having different physical and chemical properties. Due to reason is they are having different atomic and mass numbers. Okay, all of you nana? Very good. Now let me go for example for isotope. So one example I am going to be consider, that is nothing but the well-known example you know very well. Sodium, what is the symbol? Na. Okay, I have written there. And try to remember one more species or one more atom here, that is nothing but magnesium. Symbol is nothing but Mg. What is the atomic number of sodium? 11. What is the atomic number of magnesium? 12. Sodium के बाद magnesium. This is 11 and here 12. But what about mass value of magnesium? Double. 12 plus 12 means we can write 24. What about sodium? Double plus 1 nana. Double means 22. 22 plus 1 and it contains what beta? 23. That's why already I have told you. You must be remember the list of data of first 30 elements. So what are the first 30 elements? Their atomic numbers and their mass numbers along with symbols. You should be remembering sequence only about first 30 elements. If you have the capability, you can remember extra also. But I hope presently, as per your knowledge, first 30 element data is must necessary. And again, if you want to go for revision, okay, that video lesson is there in same YouTube link. If you want, you can search. Okay, in the course, just you type there bridge course. You will get the one of the bridge on the basis of first 30 elements. Okay, fine. Yeah. So what I want to give you here, example of isotopes, and here I have written the example is sodium and magnesium. What about the atomic number? 11 and 12. Atomic numbers are different. What about their mass numbers? 23 and 24. Again different. So here two atoms are there. They are having different atomic number, different mass number. This condition was applicable. A condition automatically applicable. But we have to check about the number of neutrons. Yes. So sir, what is the formula to calculate the number of neutrons? In the last class, I have told you clearly. Number of neutrons, small n is equals to capital A minus capital Z. A minus Z. That means mass number minus atomic number. 23 minus 11, you will get the answer is 12 neutron. 24 minus 12, again here also you are going to get how many neutron? 12 neutrons. So here both the atoms, they contains same number of neutron, that is equals to 12. So atoms with same number of neutrons, but they are having different atomic and mass numbers. So we have to say that it is a best example of what, Nana? Isotone. Okay, isotone. Tone means number of neutrons are same. Yes, let me go for another example. First, suppose that is nothing but silicon. The symbol of silicon is Si. Next, I am going to consider phosphorus. The symbol of phosphorus is nothing but P. And next, go for another atom I want to consider sulfur. So silicon, phosphorus and sulfur. So silicon atomic number is what? 14. Phosphorus atomic number 15. Sulfur atomic number 16. Okay, now beta. Yes. Sulfur atomic number is 16. Mass number is 32. Phosphorus atomic number is 15. Mass number is 31. I have told you same in the last class also. And silicon atomic number is 14. But mass number is only 28. How much? 28. But listen carefully, all of you, my dear students. Silicon, Si, it contains 3 isotopic forms. Silicon 14, 28. Silicon 14, 29. Silicon 14, 30. 3 isotopic forms are there. Okay. But to satisfy this example, to exhibit same number of neutrons, here silicon should be how to be considered in the form of what, Nana? 30 may consider karna padega. Okay na? Then only we can consider the example for isotone. Okay. 32 minus 16, 16. 31 minus 15, again 16. 30 minus 14, again 16. The meaning is here all these 3 atoms, they contains same number of neutrons. Number of neutrons are same, but their atomic and mass numbers are different. The meaning is nothing but all these 3 are nothing but examples of isotopes. Okay, beta. Good. Now let me go for another 2 examples are there. Directly I will send you through the notes. Okay, now you check there. If you got any doubt, you can ask me. Yes. Next, go for 4th isotopic form. I am going to explain now. That is nothing but the isoelectronic species. What, beta? Isoelectronic species. Sir, what is mean by isoelectronic species? Very easy to say the answer. Iso mean again same. Electronic means number of electrons. Number of electrons should be same. The meaning is nothing but iso. Okay, exact definition. Isoelectronic species means the definition I am going to give you now. So first of all, I am going to consider the certain species. Species means that may be in the form of atomic form or that may be in the form of ionic form. So maybe atoms or ions. Ions means maybe neutral atom or maybe ion mean what? Maybe cation or maybe anion. So neutral atoms or maybe cation or maybe anion. All 3 we can include in the form of species. And also we can say that molecules. So we can say atoms or we can say ions and also we can say that molecules. Yes. So species with maybe atoms or maybe ions or maybe molecules, whatever it may be in the given list, they should contains same number of electrons. You have to be focused on this only one word. So the species which contains the same number of electrons, they are known as what, Nana? Isoelectronic species. So let me consider one example. Example 1 is First example I am going to be give you now. Nitrogen. After nitrogen I am going to consider oxygen. 7, E8. Next to 9 is nothing but what? Atomic number 9 means fluorine. Next I am going to consider neon. Next I am going to consider sodium. Next one is nothing but magnesium. Next one is nothing but aluminium. If you want, you can consider number of examples. Now listen. Nitrogen contains more electronegativity, and it was present in the group is group 5th group. I mean group 15th elements, or we can say 5A group. 5A group means to got octet stable configuration. Already it contains 5 electrons because of group number is 5. So to got stability, to achieve octet configuration, it required another 3 electrons. That means it can gain 3 electrons. So gaining 3 electron means minus 3 charge. And oxygen present in 6th group means it contains 6 valency electron. To get valency, it required another 2 electron. So it contains minus 2. And fluorine contains minus 1. Neon is stable 0 group noble family. It does not show the reaction. Okay, Ne. And sodium belongs to first group. It contains the charge plus 1. Magnesium belongs to second group. The charge is plus 2. Aluminum belongs to third A group. The charge is nothing but plus 3. Now I am saying all these species may be neutral atom, or maybe cations, or maybe anions. Nothing but species, they contains same number of electrons. So this is the best example for isoelectronic species. Sir, how can you say whether all they are having same number of electrons or not? Yes, they are having same number of electrons. Sir, how? Yes. Nitrogen atomic number is 7. Already in the last class I have told you, minus 3 means it gains 3 electrons. Atomic number is 7 means originally it contains 7 electrons. Minus 3 means by the gain of another 3, total 10 electrons are there. Oxygen atomic number is 8, so it contains 8 electrons. By the gain of minus 2 means the total it becomes 10. Fluorine atomic number is 9. By the gain of 1 electron, 10. Neon originally contained 10, no charge, no plus, no minus. Sodium contains 11 electrons, but plus means it loses 1. Again it becomes 10. Magnesium atomic number is 12. And here plus 2 means it loses 2 electron. Again that also contains 10 beta. Aluminum is nothing but 13. Plus 3 means it loses 3 electron. So again here all the given list of atoms or ions, they contains same number of electron. The answer is nothing but what, Nana? 10 electron. So we have to say that it is the best example for what, Nana? Isoelectronic species. Okay. Similar example I am going to give you, that is nothing but the phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, next calcium, next scandium. Okay, yes, phosphorus contains minus 3 because of below nitrogen, phosphorus is there in periodic table. So definitely same charge. And here sulfur contains minus 2, chlorine contains minus 1, argon is 0 group, and potassium contains plus 1, calcium contains plus 2, scandium contains plus 3. Scandium contains plus 3. Phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium. Okay, once again you can check out. Phosphorus atomic number is 15. Minus 3 means it gains another 3 electron. 15 plus 3 is 18. All they contain 18 electrons only. If you want, you can check out. Yes, another very special example I want to tell you. First, suppose it is nothing but CO. Sir, what is meant by CO? Carbon monoxide, not cobalt. Okay, and one more is here I am going to write N2 molecule, nitrogen, dinitrogen. And one more example here I am going to be write that Cl minus. So not only atoms or ions, molecules also we can consider. Yes, carbon atomic number is 6, oxygen atomic number is 8. 6 plus 8 means how many electrons? 14 electrons. Nitrogen N2, one N contains 7 electrons. N2 means 14 electrons. Carbon contains 6 electrons. Nitrogen contains 7 electrons. It becomes 13, but the charge is minus 1. So by the gain of 1 means here all the species they contains how many electrons? Beta? 14 electrons. Okay, all of you. So once again try to memorize all 4 definitions perfectly. Isotopes, same atomic number, isobar, same mass number, isotone, same number of neutron, and isoelectronic species means same number of electrons. So once again, atomic number same means isotope. Number of neutrons are same, isotope. Mass number is same, isobar. Electrons are same, isoelectronic species. So you must remember each and every definition, and for each and every definition, try to remember. You should ready to write the any 1 to 2 examples. You must remember. Okay, na beta. So in that manner, try to make own preparation by seeing the notes. I will send you the notes. Okay, through the WhatsApp, Nana. Okay, all of you. And remaining another 2 isotonic species are there. One is isoster, one more is isodiapher. The 2 atomic species we are going to be continue in tomorrow's class, because of both they are important for only objective. What about these 4? These 4 are very important for theory cum objective. So first of all, you focus on these 4. Remaining 2 we will continue in tomorrow's class. Okay, now beta? Good.